To connect your Robinhood to an Autopilot investment app, start by opening the app on your phone, which can be installed from the Google Play Store or App Store. Once open, click on the Explore Popular Portfolios button. Then enter your mobile number to receive a verification code. After entering the code, click Continue, and you will see a similar screen with a Pickup Pilot option. Select this option to view popular pilots that you can copy, and choose one that suits your needs. After selecting a pilot, click the corresponding button at the bottom of the screen, and you may be prompted to allow notifications, which can be skipped for now. Next, choose your Robinhood and click Continue. Then enter your Robinhood account details, including your username and password, and click Connect. Once connected, your Robinhood account will be linked to the Autopilot app, and the selected track will automatically enable and purchase the corresponding holdings in your Robinhood account.